FILECOIN explodes literally 50% amid major network upgrades. There's a massive update here for FILECOIN, and we're going to be going through it very briefly on this video and then going through and looking at the chart to see how we can be trading it and making as much money as goddamn possible. My name is Chester. I'm here today on Crypto News, and we are going to be covering FILECOIN. Now, FILECOIN have just had a massive upgrade. The upgrade is leadership changes, market impact, financial shifts, and also some expert insights into this thing absolutely exploding. Okay, so it has had a very bit of a brief uplift here, and you can see the immediate market implications of that influencing other deepin and AI assets like Near and Render here into the FILECOIN sort of ecosystem, okay, which is a very big thing in the DeFi space. So the total value locked within FILECOIN's DeFi ecosystem alongside increased futures trading volumes, these patterns underscored a growing trader interest in associated technologies. Okay, so overall, new upgrades, massive stuff going on, new leadership changes here, and the price has just reacted very aggressively to that. Okay, you can see here in the last week alone it's up 69%. Unbelievable stuff. In the last day it's obviously down 8%. We are seeing a bit of a retracement there. Only naturally it does happen, but you can see that this, in terms of the high that was created at $3.70 all the way from literally $1.30, that is a substantial gain here, way more than 50% here. It's literally like it's got $1.3 up to literally near enough $3.4 was the top there, which is like over a 2x, which is again very bullish here, guys. Okay, so that's sort of the update front there. So you can see obviously it's down on the yearly, but we're spiking up very aggressively overall, which does give this thing quite a lot of momentum to the upside. Okay, so let's go into the chart and let's look at where and how we can be making some money trading this. Now, before we do that, guys, we're all about making money. I want to show you the next big project that's raised nearly $27 million in their pre-sale. Okay, they're called Bitcoin Hyper, and they're the fastest ever layer 2 chain on the Bitcoin network. This finally makes Bitcoin more scalable and faster and easier for that worldwide adoption. Now, this comes with a massive ecosystem, its own wallet, its own explorer, its own bridge, staking, and of course, it wouldn't be right if it didn't have a few memes in there as well. So it's its own chain essentially that's backed onto the Bitcoin chain as the layer 2, basically making it 10 times easier and accessible to transact in Bitcoin. So you could pay for your groceries in Bitcoin instantaneously with this network. Now, if that is going to happen and Bitcoin Hyper is the network that they're going to be choosing, that they're going to be using here, obviously it's the fastest and the best one yet, so it's very likely it is, and that's why it's raised such a substantial amount of money. Think of the volume that's going to be passing through it. Think of how well this Hyper asset will be doing alongside Bitcoin. Ridiculous stuff there. Loads of stuff going on as well. There's many things to report, guys, but I'm gonna leave it with you. You have to do your own research. If you do want to ape into this pre-sale like I have, all you need to do is connect your wallet and swap your Ethereum, Solana, USDT, USDC, or BNB for your Hyper token and get ready for liftoff, essentially. Not financial advice, do your own research, guys, but definitely one to really have a little look at. Now, the FILECOIN chart is insane, okay, because you can see we obviously had a massive crash down to 31 cents here. We obviously all saw that happen, and then basically we've had a massive explosion to the upside. As I said, it was well over a 2x there. You can see it was a 3x from over on the Binance chart there, and as I said, we are seeing a bit of a retracement to the downside from this point. Completely natural, may I just say, completely natural, but there could be another wave. Okay, this is the breakout zone that we are currently sat in. Okay, we're currently sat in this breakout zone, which has been tested for resistance multiple times here, and usually when that does happen, it usually means that we're due a move to the upside. Okay, so the move to the upside for this asset probably would be around a 13% move, but I would like to see us clear major moving averages beforehand. So I would like around a 10% move off that. Again, very achievable here. We do have falling wedges going on. These will be the measure moves that we could be looking at for the target here. And yeah, it does line up pretty much perfectly there up to the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement. But the clean position for me is this 10%. We just got to get past this breakout area and the resistance of these major trend lines here over on the hourly. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section, guys. I want to know your opinions on FILECOIN, why you think it's pumping, whether you think that the new tech is good, and whether you think that this trade is going to be a beast in itself. Let me know in the comment section. That is it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.